guys, it's me T Fertala. Today I'm gonna do multiplication. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. Now I'm going to do multiplication by 2's. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 16.
14.
Ay, 14 pala. Sorry guys.
2 times 8.
Ma'am,
2 times 8.
2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. Multiplication by 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 18.
15.
15. 8 times
3 times 6.
3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 23.
4.
24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. By 4s. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28.
What? 20.
8. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. Skipping numbers by 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. Skipping numbers by 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 20, 42. 4 6 times 8 equals 42. 48. 6 times 9 equals 50. 4. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 10 equals 60. I said 60. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 54. 56. 7 times 8 equals 60. Not 60. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 64.
3.
3. 7 times 10 equals 70. Now, skipping numbers by 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 70.
80.
18. Skipping numbers by 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. Right, Mommy? 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 27, 36. 9 times 5 equals. Ouch. 9, 18, 27, 36, 42, 45. 9 times 6 equals 60. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 50, 54. 9 times 6 equals 9 times 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 60, 63, 63, 72, 72, 90, 81, 90,
Do it. 9.
9 times 1 equals
First. 9, 18, 27. Do it like that.
9, 18, 9, 18, 27, 35,
56.
36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
9 times 1.
9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5.
9, 18, 27. 56.
I already said 36.
45.
Mm.
9 times 6.
9 times 5. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 9 equals
9 times
9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 80. I know 90.
8. 10.
10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 times 8 equals 80. 10 times 9 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100.
You do the 9, 9, 18.
Bye guys.